Welcome back friends. Today in this video I will show you that how we will perform sickling test, that is also called as sickle solubility test. For this test we are using Atlas kit. In that kit there will be two reagents, reagent A and reagent B. That big bottle is reagent A. We will call sickle cell reagent A, and this one small one is reagent B, sickle cell reagent B. The sickle cell reagent B is coming in powder form, and first of all when you have to start the test we have to bring the kit at room temperature. Normally we are storing at 2 to 8 degrees. After that, reagent B in powder form we will pour into the reagent A, and after we will mix. After that, stability will be 15 days of this reagent. And these are the control that are used to test the kit quality, negative and positive control. Later on we will show how to run. And for this test we need patient's EDTA whole blood, because sickle cells we will check in RBC, so we need whole blood. Now we will prepare the reagent. Now I will take this and carefully we have to drop so that powder will not fall outside, and full we have to dispense, and then we will close, and like 8 position I will move this bottle and I will mix the reagent properly like that, and write the date. Here date you will be see the here you will see the date I will write, that is old date, because this was old video with me, so I just got and I try to upload again, so quite old video. So now we will mix and we will keep at least 5 or 10 minutes enough, that is reagent will be ready. Then we will label 3 glass tubes: negative control, positive control and patient. Negative control was already prepared, so just I will show you how we will prepare positive and patient control. When the reagent is ready to use, that time what we need 2 ml or 2000 microliter reagent, prepared reagent, and we will dispense in 2 tubes. And control and patient sample we need 20 microliter. Now this pipette is set at 1000 microliter, means 1 ml, so I will take 2 ml. Now you see the bubble came, so we have to repeat the pipetting so that exact volume we will take. Now it's correct. 1 ml and 2 ml. Same like in patient tube. 1 ml and 2 ml. Now I will take 20 microliter. First I will take 20 microliter positive control and then patient sample. After mixing the sample in test tube, we will keep that for 5 minutes, and after that we will read the result. Just mix properly. This is positive control. After that discard the tube, then just mix like that, but carefully so that the liquid should not fall down from the tube. Take the new tip and 20 microliter patient sample. Same like that we will mix properly, and after that discard the tip. Now for 5 minutes we will keep like standby at room temperature, and we will read the result. For that you have to take the paper, just print the line squares, because we have to see the turbidity. If there will be turbidity, then we cannot see the lines at background, it means the result will be positive. But if you will see the lines at the background, it means result will be negative. Now this is negative control. So now you see at the background lines are easy to visible at 1 centimeter distance, but this is positive control. Now you see you cannot see any lines, so it means positive control is also good. Now we will see the result of patient. In patients sample we can see the lines at the background, so patient result will be negative. This is qualitative test, so it will be reported as negative or positive. If sickle test will come positive, then doctors further they will recommend HB electrophoresis to see the exact amount of hemoglobin S in the body, because as you know sickling test is used to diagnose the sickle cell disease or sickle cell anemia. In that we will see the formation of hemoglobin S. So now I hope you understand that how we will perform sickling test
So I
in the
hope कि आपको
laboratory.
समझ आ गई होगी
That
कि
is very
सिकलिंग टेस्ट
easy.
को हम
There are
लैब में
different
कैसे
kits
परफॉर्म
available,
करते हैं,
but
बहुत ही
almost
इजी वे
procedures
में
are
परफॉर्म
same
करते हैं।
only.
कोई
So
भी किट हो
whenever
आप
new
एक
kit
दफ़ा
will
बस
come,
उसका
just read the
लिटरेचर रीड कर लें
literature
तो आपको आइडिया हो
just to
जाएगा
verify the
कि टेस्ट
quantity
को
of
कैसे परफॉर्म
reagent,
किया जाता
quantity
है।
of
फिर मिलेंगे एक
sample,
नई वीडियो के साथ,
and how
तब
much
तक
time
अपना
we
ख्याल
have to
रखिए।
keep
थैंक यू सो
storage, room
मच।
temperature, or the reagent we prepared, that how much time we have to store. So this video is completed here. Thank you so much.